Hello students, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve the specimen paper of computer application for the class 10th board, ICSE board examination 2024. And in this video, I will discuss the pattern of the question paper. And as you know, there are two parts, section A and section B. So in this video, I will discuss only section A. Thoroughly, I will discuss. So without wasting your and my time, here we go with this question paper. You can see I am showing the question paper, specimen question paper in front of you. Okay, so this question paper is of 100 marks and it has two sections. This paper is divided into two sections. You can read from here and attempt all questions from section A. Section A is a compulsory section. You have to attempt all the questions from this section A. And any 4 questions from section B means in section B there will be 6 programs, 6 questions, that are 6 programs. And out of that 6 programs, you need to attempt only 4. Okay, so here we go with section A. As I told, in this video I will discuss section A only. In section A there will be two questions. Question number 1, and this question number 1 will have 20 multiple choice question, each of 1 mark. So total 20 question, each of 1 marks, means total 20 marks. Question number 1 is of 20 marks. Okay, then there will be a second question, question number 2, that will have total 10 short answer questions. I'm showing you. Wait, it's going there. Okay, this 20 objective questions are here over. Now, question number 2 in section A, in the same section, question number 2 will have 10 short answer questions. You can say each of 2 marks, so total 20 marks. So section A is of 40 marks, total 40 marks. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to discuss section A only. Like that, section B, I will upload another video for that. In section B, there will be 6 programs. Okay, there will be 6 programs in section B. Here I'm going to show you section B. Here you have to attempt only 4 questions. There are 6 programs. Out of 6 programs, you need to attempt only 4 programs. So that I will discuss in the next video. In this video, I'm going to discuss this section A only. Okay, here this section is what? Compulsory section. In this section, you have to attempt all the questions. So without wasting your and my time, let's start with this section A. Question number 1. See this question number 1. One figure is given in front of you, and please see the written. Do not copy the question. Write the correct answer only. How to write the correct answer, that will also I will tell you. So here this question I've already did here. Father, child. So I think you know which feature is this picture depicting. This picture, name the feature of Java depicted in the above picture. So here, as you know, this is the which feature it is depicting. Inheritance. As you know, inheritance means acquiring the property of another class, as we inherit the property of our parents. So like that. So the answer of this is what? Inheritance. Okay, and the proper way to write the answer is what? You should write like this. Question number 1. Question 1 as it is written. See, I will copy it from here. Question number 1. Which part? First part, like this. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. So write on B. Then you can write the answer. Inheritance. Inheritance. This is the proper way to write the answer. Don't write only the option as well as answer. This is the proper way to write the answer of multiple choice questions. You know, most of you generally most of you write only this. Used to write only option A, B, C, D only. Some of you write only answers. You do not write the options. Both are incorrect method. Write both option as well as answer. Okay. So please remember this. You must know how to write the correct answer. Okay. So answer of this is what? Inheritance. Option B is correct. So B, inheritance, is the answer. Now question number 2, second part of this question. The expression which uses this operator is known as. You know, this is relational operator. Greater than or equal to is a relational operator. So the expression which uses this operator is known as relational expression. So answer of this question is what? A. So how will write 2 and which option is correct? Option A is correct. Dot, and what is the answer? Relational. So you will write relational. So this is the proper way to write. All the time I'm writing answer of each and every question. So please learn it. Option as well as answer. Now coming to the next question. Ternary operator is it's conditional operator. Remember that conditional operator. If else is also called, you know, if else. If else is also called uh, conditional statements. So as you know, ternary operator, that is question mark and colon, is the alternate of if else statements. So that's why this ternary operator is also known as conditional operator. So answer of this is what? Answer of this third part is what? D, that is what? Conditional operator. Conditional. Please remember this. Okay. Now question number 4. Fourth part of this question. When primitive data type is converted to corresponding object of its class, it is called. Okay, you know, this concept is of wrapper classes, and in wrapper classes there is a concept of boxing and unboxing. So boxing and unboxing are vice versa process of each other. Okay, so converting primitive value to object of its wrapper class is called boxing, and vice versa means converting object of wrapper class into primitive type is called unboxing. Please remember that I have already uploaded video for boxing and unboxing. There I have explained in details. I will put the link of that videos so you can learn from there. Okay, so answer what is here? Primitive type, converting primitive to object. This is called boxing. And from object to primitive type is called unboxing. So answer of this question is what? When primitive data type is converted to object is called boxing. So answer of this is what? Question number 4, fourth part. Which option is correct? A, and what is the answer? Boxing. So option and answer both must be written. Okay, answer is boxing. Okay, unboxing is the vice versa process. Vice versa, I mean object to primitive type will be what? Unboxing. Remember this. You can watch that video. I will put the link of that boxing unboxing video. Now next question, question number 5. The number of bytes occupied by character array of 10 elements. Character array of 10 elements means in that array we can store how many characters? 10 characters. So size of one character is what? Size of one char data type is what? 2 bytes. So here we are storing how many elements? 10 characters. So 2 into 10, that is what? 20. So answer of this will be 20 bytes. So you will write like this 5. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. What is the answer? 20 bytes. You must write like this. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. Sorry, it has been scrolled. Wait a minute. Question number 6 is here. Now the method of scanner class used to accept double value. You know, next int, next double, next int function is here to input to accept with what? Integer value. Next double function is here to accept a double type of value. Next function is here. This function is here to accept a word, and no such function is there. So option of this is what? The method of scanner class used to accept a double value is what? Next double. So answer of this will be what? You write like this 6. What is the answer? Which option is correct? B option is correct. What is the answer? Next double. Okay. So this is the answer. Now moving to the next question. Question number 7. Among the following, which is a keyword? Okay. So here the answer is case. All, every, these are not the keywords. So answer is what? C. That is case. So you write like this 7 and then C. Option C is correct and the answer case. As it is in case, must be in lowercase, write in lowercase. Now 8. The output of math.round 6.6, math.seal 3.4 is. Okay. So what is the answer? Math.round function, what it performs, it rounds the number to the nearest integer, rounds the number to the nearest integer. So the answer of this will be, and it returns long type of value. Long type means integer value. You know, byte, short, int, long, these data types are for integers. So 6.6 math dot round 6.6 will be rounded up to 7. No 7.0, only 7. And mat.seal function returns the greater value, nearest integer. Mat.seal function returns the nearest integer greater than the argument value. Returns the nearest integer greater than the argument value. So nearest integer greater than 3.4 is what? 4. So it will return 4, and since the return type of seal function is double, so this will return 4.0. So this is of integer type or long type. This is of double type. Out of double and long, double data type is greater. So as per implicit type conversion, 7 plus 4 will be what? 11.0. It will not be 11, it will be 11.0. Result will be of double type because double data type is higher data type. So answer of this will be 11.0. See, both options are given. You might be confused. So better keep in the mind the basic concepts. Okay. So answer of this will be what? 11.0. So you write like this. Option B is correct. So B, what is that? 11.0. Please remember this. Okay. And for mathematical function, I have uploaded the video already. You can watch that video. I will try to put the link of that mathematical functions video. Now coming to this, name the type of array if error, if any, in the following segment. Yes, here we have one error. Semicolon must be here. Semicolon is missing. So missing semicolon or missing any punctuation is what? Syntactical error, or you can say syntax error. So option D is correct. So you write like this, syntax. I have explained about the errors also in one of my video that I will try to upload here. So answer, sorry, here we should write not answer only, we should write option. What is the option? Which option? D as well as answer. Now coming to the next question, question number 10. Java statement to access the fifth element of an array is, see, if there is an array, this is a very confusing question. You must draw. If you are confused, just draw this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some elements are here, consider. This is the first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. So how the fifth element? This is asking for fifth element, means x4. Consider the name of array is x. So x4 is the fifth element. Can you see? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. X4 is the fifth element. So don't be confused. This is the answer. So you'll write the answer of question number 10. Option A. The answer is what? X4 as it is. Okay, now question number 11. The output of remarkable substring 6. Substring, this function will return the part of the string from index number 6 to last. Find out index number 6. Index starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 6 to last means able. It will return this part only, that is able. So answer of this will be what? Able. So you can write like this, 11. Which option is correct? Option D is correct. And what is the answer? Able. Please don't forget to write answer like this. It's a proper way. Try to learn it. Which of the following is the wrapper class for the data type char? Each and every primitive data type has a wrapper class. Okay. So the wrapper class for char data type is character. For byte, it is byte, B capital. For int, it is integer. Okay. For char, it is character. Okay. So answer is what here? For wrapper class, video also the video for wrapper class is also there. You can watch that. So answer of this is char. For the wrapper class for the char data type is character, not char, it is character. So answer will be what? 12. Answer is what? Option C is correct. That is what? Capital C, character. Write the answer as it is. Don't change it. Uppercase, lowercase, take care of this. For each and every data type, there is a wrapper class. For byte, B capital. For short, there is a wrapper class, short, S capital. Okay. Only the unique name, only the unique name for int wrapper class. For int wrapper class, there is integer. It is different. And for char, it is what? Which wrapper class? Character wrapper class. For other primitive data types, the names are same, only the first letter is in uppercase. Means for double data type, there is a wrapper class double, D capital. For long, L capital. Only these two names are different, integer and character. So please remember this. Okay. And any doubt, you can watch that video of wrapper class. Okay, please go through that. I will try to put the link of that also here. Name the package that contains wrapper classes. You must know java.lang package. Java.lang package. Answer of this 12 will be what? A, option A, java.lang package. Please remember java.lang package contains math class, string class, and wrapper classes. These classes we use in our programs. So please remember. Java.lang package contains math class, it contains string class, and it contains wrapper classes also. So please remember if you have the question, related questions. So here it is asking for the wrapper classes. The answer of wrapper classes is java.lang package. Okay. Now next question number, it was 13. Sorry, it was 13. Question number 13. Okay. Now question number 14. Coming to the question number 14. Constructor overloading follows which principle of object-oriented programming? This polymorphism. Please remember that constructor overloading or method overloading is what? Example of polymorphism. Okay, what is polymorphism? Performing same task in different ways. Okay, so function overloading and constructor overloading both represents the concept of polymorphism. Please remember that there is a video for that also. What's that? So answer right like this. 14, question number 14. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. The answer is polymorphism. Okay, now question number 15. Which of the following is invalid? Sorry, is a valid integer constant? So only this one. This is not integer constant. This is real constant. This is also real constant, floating point. This is string constant. So answer is option A, only one. So you can write like this, 15. Which option is correct? A is correct. What is the answer? Only one. The next question, question number 16. The method compare to returns when two strings are equal in lowercase. Return type of compare to function is integer, int. Okay. So when it returns when first invoking string is greater, it returns positive integer. If argument string is greater, it returns negative integer, and it returns 0 when both are equal. Okay, so answer of this is what? 0. When the strings are equal, it returns 0. So answer will be what? X 16. Answer 16. The option B is correct. That is what? 0. Okay. Now question number 17. Okay. In this new pattern, you have such this type question. New questions are they have introduced in this time. That is question of assertion and reason. Such reasoning questions are there. So you have two such questions. This is the new thing which they have introduced this year. So let's start, and you must know the basic concept to solve this question. Here it is written, in Java, statements written in lowercase letter or uppercase letters are treated as the same. Okay, so this is wrong. Java is case sensitive language. Okay, Java is a case sensitive language, the reason. But case sensitive means what? Uppercase letters and lowercase letters are not treated as same. They are different. They are treated differently. They are different. They are treated as different. But here it is said are treated as the same. This is wrong. So assertion is wrong, but its reason is true. Okay, so the option assertion A is false and the reason is true. So answer of this will be what? 7 D, and please write down complete answer. Assertion A is false and reason R is true. Please write down this complete. If you're write in same pattern. Each and every answer must be written in same pattern. So please remember this. Now next question number 18. In question number 18, see, read the following text and choose the correct answer. It's very easy question. The things are written already. A class encapsulates data members and that contains information necessary to represent the class and member methods that perform the operation on the data member. Means a class encapsulate what? Data members and member methods. Okay. So what does a class encapsulate? A class encapsulate data members, that is variables, that are variables, and member methods means functions. A class contains two things, variables that are called data members and member methods. So option B is correct of this. Question number 18, option B, what is that? Data members. Please write the correct answer, members and member methods. And member methods. Okay, this is question number 18. Now question number 19. Again, as the question of assertion and reason, as I told, there will be two questions. Don't worry, and you have to read it carefully. Don't guess the answer. Read the written things. Read the question carefully and then answer. Here it is written: call by value is known as pure method. This is not correct. Call by value method is not a pure method. Call by value is a method. Is a method to call a function. Method to call a method. It's different. It's a way to call a method. It's not a pure method. Okay, so this is wrong. The original value of a variable does not change as operation is performed on copied values. Okay, this is true. Okay, actually, when we call a function and we use call by value method to call a function, in that case, the value of actual parameters are sent to the value of actual parameters are sent to the function, and that function copied the value of actual parameters into the formal parameters. So in that case, the value of original value means the value of actual parameters will not be changed. Okay, so it is written for that. Original value means the value of actual parameters will not be changed, because only we have passed the value. As you know, call by value I have explained. You can go through that for clear explanation. So the value of actual parameters will be passed to the actual formal parameters, means values are copied to the formal parameters. So, and the value of actual parameters means the value of the original value to which they are saying original value. See, the original value will not be changed. Okay, in call by value method, the original value means the value of actual parameter does not change. So, assertion A is false, but reason R is correct. So here also the option will be D. Sorry, X. Which option is correct? D. Assertion A is false and reason, write properly, reason R is true. Okay, correct answer. Now the last question of this section, this question number 1. Question number 20. What will be the output for this? Okay. So character dot to lowercase 1. Okay. So character dot to lowercase function. This function is of character wrapper class. To lowercase function is the character wrapper class, and it converts a string. No, sorry, a character to lowercase. So what we have here 1. 1 is not alpha, so it will remain unchanged. If there is no alphabet, it is not an alphabet. It will remain unchanged. Means to lowercase function converts the uppercase alphabet. Dhyan sunna. Just listen carefully. Lowercase to lowercase function converts the uppercase alphabet to lowercase alphabet. Otherwise, the character remains unchanged. If it is there, if other than uppercase alphabet is there, that will remain unchanged. Okay, it converts uppercase alphabet to lowercase alphabet. For rest, there will be no change. So answer of this will be 1. So 10, 10, option B, answer is 1. Okay, so this is question number 1. 20 objective questions were there, 20 MCQs were there. I have solved thoroughly. If you have any question about any question number, please mention the question number and ask your doubts. Now I'm going to the question number 2 of this section A. Write the Java expression for p plus q to the p plus q whole square. So answer will be what? For this square or power, which function we use? We use math.power functions. You can write like this: math.power. Then in case of math.power, we try to recognize the base. So what is the base here? P plus q. So we write the base p plus q. And what is the power? 2. The base comma power. This is the answer. Only this much you need to write, nothing else. Math.power p plus q to the power 2. You will get the 2 marks. Okay. Evaluate the expression when the value of x is 2. Here I am going to solve this. Here x is what? 2. Okay. So if you are getting such question, see, here we have prefix and postfix operators. Okay, prefix increment operator and postfix increment operators are here. So I have uploaded video for this also. The concept will be clear from that video. Here I am explaining. Here x, what is the value of x? So here you can see x plus plus. Here I am putting the value in the box. The value of x is what here? Initially the value of x is what? 2. X, this time the value of x is what? 2. So here you can see what we have. We have postfix operator. So what happens in case of postfix operators? The value is kept first in the expression, then it is increased by 1. It will be increased by 1. After putting in the expression, the value of x will increase because of postfix. Then plus. See in this case, here we have prefix. In case of prefix, first value increases, then it is put into the expression. So now x is what? First increase, then put in the expression. Plus, now you can see the current value of x is what? 4. So you write here 4, then 2 plus 4 plus 4 will be what? 4, 4, 8 to 10. So the value of evaluate expression when the value of x is 2. So this is the answer. You have to show like this, and answer is 10. This is the answer. Okay, write this question and then write like this. This is the answer. What is the answer? 10. Don't write that 10 only. It is set to evaluate. So please show this working also. Am I clear? And to make it more clear, please watch that video in which I have discussed the operators, increment, decrement operators. You can see there. Okay. The following code segment should print "you can go out if you have done your homework, DH, and cleaned your room, CR." However, the code has errors, fix the code so that it compiles and runs correctly. Okay, this we have to print. Okay, you can go to hard work and cleaned your room. Okay, this we want to print. Okay, see, so boolean DH equal to true, boolean CR equal to true. If DH and CR, you can go out, else you can go out. You cannot go out, you can go out. The following code should print "you can go out." Achha, this we want to print. This is to print. Okay, means this condition should be false. So here DH equal to true. However, the code has errors. Fix the code so that compiles and runs correctly. So we need to fix it. DH we cannot write true. Actually, the true and false are the boolean constants and they must be in lowercase. True and false. Okay. So either this is correct, CR equal to true, it should not be true, because DH and CR, if both will be true, the result will be true. So this will print you can go out. You cannot go out. But what is it is said? The following code should print you can go out. So this condition should be false. Only then you can go out will be printed. It should be false. So, but one thing, it should not be in uppercase. T should not be in uppercase. And to make this condition false, one of these should be false. So what we can do, we can make it, instead of writing true, we can write like this: boolean dh equal to true in lowercase. Sorry, not true. It should be false, small f. Okay, first thing, it should not be in uppercase. But to make this condition false, either DH or CR must be false. Either DH or CR, either one should be false. So I'm making it false. And if writing false, it should be in lowercase and semicolon. This was the error that we have corrected. Now, if the value of DH is false and CR is true, DH is false and CR is true, any one of these condition is false, so whole condition will be false. Then contour will go for else, and you can go out will be printed as it is mentioned in the question. Okay, so if any doubt, you can ask to the comment section. So here the answer is, you can write error. You can write like this: error boolean dh equal to true. You can underline here. This is the error. Now, after fixing, correct statement is correct statement and dash boolean dh equal to false. You can write the answer like this. Okay, please show the error where it is, then correct it, write the corrected answer, corrected statement. Okay, for 2 marks. Now coming to the next question. Okay, now Sam executes the following program segment and answer displayed is 0, irrespective of any non-zero values are given. Name there how the program can be modified to get the correct answer. Okay. So I will tell you, just pause the video and read the question. Okay, you can pause this video and read the question carefully. Then you will understand the solution. Here it is said that for any value of I, means Sam executes the following program segment and the answer displayed is 0 irrespective of any non-zero value. If you are giving any value, the answer is he is getting the value of B and H, whatever he is giving, whatever value of B and H is there, the answer is 0. For any value of B and H, the what answer is coming? The answer is what? 0. So this is not correct, no. So here he has done some mistake, one mistake he has done. So that mistake must be corrected. Name the error. So here that error is called logical error. You know, if your program is running and it is producing output, but it is not producing correct output, then such errors are called logical errors. So name the error. The first answer is what? Here, which error do we have? We have logical error. Okay. If your program is not producing correct output, means there is a logical error. So the first thing is what? Name the error. So the name of the error is what? Logical error. How the program can be modified to get the correct answer. Okay. So here I am showing you whatever the value of B and H is there, double A, whatever. Here 1 by 2. Okay. Please remember the concept of implicit type conversion. Here 1 by 2 into B into H. So as per the operator precedence, multiplication both have same precedence, division also. Multiplication, division both have same operator precedence. So what will happen? Calculation will take place like this. So when the operators of same precedence come in sequence, then the associativity rule is followed, that is left to right for the arithmetic operators. So we have to move from left to right. The control will move from left to right, and which operator will come first will be solved first if they are of same precedence. Okay. So division and multiplication both have same precedence. So what will happen first? Which calculation will take place first? Division 1 by 2. So here 1 is of integer type. 2 is also of integer type. Okay. So as per the implicit type conversion, it will be converted. The result of this will be converted into integer type. Means the result of this will be of integer types, because in any calculation the conversion is take place up to highest data type. So here 1 is integer and 2 is also integer. So in integer, which one is highest? Integer. So both will be converted to integer, and the result will also be an integer value. So the value of 1 by 2 will not be 0.5. In integers, fractional parts are not there, will not be there. So the result of 1 by 2 will be what? 0. I think it's clear to all. Since 1 is of integer type, 2 is also of integer type. Okay. So integer, which one is higher? Integer. So in which the conversion will take place, implicit type conversion will convert, as per the implicit type conversion, both will be converted into integer, and the result will also be of integer type, not 0.5. The result of 1 by 2 will be what? 1 by 2 will be what? 0, not 0.5. So how it can be converted? How it can be corrected? So instead of writing a equal to this, what we have to write? You have to write corrected statement a equal to 1.0 upon 2 into b into h. Now this is correct. Now see, 1.0 is of double type, 2 is of integer type. Out of double and integer, which one is higher? Double. So conversion will take place into double type. So the result of 1.0 by 2 will be what? Double type of value, that is 0.5 will get. Then you will get the correct answer. So the corrected statement will be what? You can write this answer. This line you can write like this: the corrected corrected statement, and then you can write this like this: a equal to 1.0 upon 2 into b into h. Got it? 1 by 2 will produce 0 as output. 0 into anything will be 0, so all the time will get the 0. So to solve this, to correct it, this correction we have to make. Either you can write 1.0 by 2 or you can write 1 by 2.0. Both are correct. Any one of these two should be of double type. So 2.0 or 1.0. Okay, both are correct. You can write any one. So I think it's clear. Now coming to the next question. How many times will the following loop execute? What will be returned? Number of times, and what that function, that loop will return, we have to tell. So here x equal to 2. You know how to run the loop. Just follow that. Y equal to 50. Write the value like that in roughly. Do control go inside the do block. Plus x means the value of x will be what? 3. Update like this. Y here it is written y minus equal to x plus plus, means it is like this: y equal to y minus x plus plus. Please expand and solve it. Will be better for you. Roughly you can do all these things. So y equal to y minus x plus plus means what will happen? Y, what is the value of y? Y is what? 50. So 50 minus x, what is the current value of x? Current value of x is what? 3. So in case of postfix, first the value is kept into expression, then it is increased by 1. So after putting in the expression, it will increase. The value of x will increase. So 5 minus 3 will be 2, will be stored into y itself. So the value of y will be what now? Sorry, it is 50 now. 50 minus 3 will be what? 47, will be stored into y itself. So the value of y will be what? 47. So, and we'll go to this. So you can see the loop has been executed once. We'll count here. Then now what about this condition? The value of x is what? 4. 4 is less than or equal to 10. Condition false. So control will not go inside the loop again. So loop has executed once only. Okay, the value of x was to x is less than or equal to 10 condition false. So if it is false, control will not go back to do block. Okay, it will not go back to do block. So the answer of how many times will the following loop executes? Answer of this loop will execute one time only, on one time. Okay, and what will be returned? What is returning? What are you returning? We are returning y. The value of y is what? 47. So it will return 47. Okay, I hope it is clear. So answer, it will return, you can write here, it is returning, you can see it is returning the value of y. So what is the value of I finally? It is 47. So it will return 47. Okay, I think clear. Now going to the next question. Question number 6. Write the output of the following string methods. Artificial dot index of I. Index of function returns the first index of the character given as argument. So find out the first index of capital I. So 0, 1, 2, 3. First time the I is coming at index number 3. So answer of this is what? 3. Now part B. Dog and puppy. It's a string. Dot trim. Trim means spaces will be removed. Dot length. We have to find the length of this. So length means what? 1, 2, 3 counting. You will count the number of characters. 1, 2, 3. Space is there 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the length is what? 13. Answer is 13. Trim function, it removes white spaces from both ends. So there is no such space. So no problem. So it will return. Finally, the length of this is what? 13. 13 characters are here, including spaces. So answer will be 13. Name any two jump statements. There are three jump statements, break, continue, and return. So any two you can write here. I'm writing break and continue. Both should be written in lowercase. Please remember that these are keywords. They must be in lowercase. Now question number 8. Predict the output of the following code snippet. Snippet means part. String a equal to 20. The value of a is what? 20. In a string format, the value of b is what? 23. Okay. Integer dot parseInt. ParseInt function converts a string into integer type. So the value of p will be what? 20 in integer format. It was in string format before this. It was in string format. ParseInt function will convert that into integer format. Now integer parseInt b. Same thing will happen. B, which is in string format, will be converted into integer format and will be stored into q. So the value of q is what? 20. Now system.out.print a into b. So output will be what? A. What is the value of a? The value of a is what? 20. That is in string format. And the value of b is what? 23 in string format. And this will be concatenated. Sub concatenate ho jayega. Will be concatenated, will be joined. So you'll have the answer. The output will be. The answer will be. These are rough things. These are rough work. Okay. Answer is what? Output you can write like this. What is the value of a? 20 into 23. This will be the output. The value of a will be printed, then this star will be printed, then the value of b will be printed. Okay, so 20 into 23. Okay, if any doubt you can ask. This is the answer, and this is rough work. Okay, now question number 9. When there is no explicit initialization, what are the default values set for the variables in the following case? In default values of integer variable is 0, string variable is what? The value of string variable will be 2 double quotes. Means empty string. You can say empty string. That is what? Empty string. The string having no character, empty string. Okay. Please remember this. Now last question. There are two arrays. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. Okay. here you can see two arrays has been initialized, P and Q, and the value of P, which value we have stored, 12, 14, 16, 18 we have stored, and Q we have stored 20, 22, 24. These two arrays are here. Place all elements of P array and Q array in the array R, one after the other. What will be the size of the array R? What we are going to do? We are going to store all the elements of P and Q into R. So what should be the size of R? Array R. So how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are here. 3 elements are here. So the size of R should be 7. So answer will be 7. Okay. Write the index position of the first and last element. Write the index of the index position of the first and last element. Index batana. We have to tell the index of first and last element. So here we are writing. I am showing you. So the size of array will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6. Okay. 7 elements are here. So 0 to 6. So the index of index position means index will be the first element will be 0 and the last element will be 6. Okay, place all the elements P array and Q array in the array R, one after other. Okay, so answer of first the index position of first element will be 0 and the last element will be 6. You can write like this, index position of first element equal to 0 and last element, here you can write, and last element is equal to 6. Okay, so this is all about section A. In this video I have discussed, and I will provide the PDF also in the second complete solution of this specimen paper. I will provide the PDF also of the solution, and that I will put in the description part. So in this video, as I told, I will discuss section A only. So I have discussed thoroughly. If any question, you can ask through the comment section, and related videos I will try to put in the description, the link of that. So for this video, this much only. I will upload section B also. So wait for that. Till that, watch this video carefully, and you can clarify your doubts through comment section. For this video, this much only. Thank you. Bye.